Have you ever wondered how you can improve your health and wellness? Well, you're not alone. Health and wellness are not just about the absence of disease, but also about living a life of vitality, energy, and joy. It's the foundation of a fulfilling existence, the fuel for your ambitions, and the cornerstone of your well-being. Investing time and effort into maintaining good health yields a myriad of benefits. Picture the vitality that comes with increased energy levels, the satisfaction of enhanced productivity, and the peace of mind brought by the promise of longevity. These are not mere perks, but transformative changes that can redefine your life. Health and wellness are not mere buzzwords, but a lifestyle that promotes holistic well-being. They encompass physical fitness, balanced nutrition, mental health, and preventive care. It's a lifelong journey that begins with a single step, so let's delve into some tips and tricks that can help transform your life. A sedentary lifestyle can be detrimental to your health. This statement, while simple, carries a profound truth. It is imperative that we understand the vital role physical activity plays in our overall health and well-being. Regular physical activity is the cornerstone of a robust and healthy lifestyle, acting as a protective barrier against a myriad of health complications, including heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. It also aids in maintaining a healthy weight, improving mood, and promoting better sleep. Now let's delve into some practical ways to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Walking, for instance, is an excellent place to start. Whether it's a brisk walk around the block or a leisurely stroll in the park, the benefits of this simple activity are immense. Biking is another fantastic option. It's not just an efficient mode of transportation, but also a great way to engage different muscle groups and improve cardiovascular health. And let's not forget yoga, a holistic practice that combines physical postures, breath control, and meditation. Yoga not only enhances flexibility and strength, but also promotes mental well-being. These are just some examples. The possibilities are endless. The key is to find activities that you enjoy, making it more likely for you to stick to them. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step towards a healthier lifestyle today. Remember, the key is consistency, not intensity. A little effort each day can lead to big changes over time. You are what you consume. A profound statement, yet it holds immense truth. Eating balanced and nutritious meals is a cornerstone of good health and well-being. Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine. To keep it operating at peak efficiency, it requires the right fuel. This fuel comes from a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These food groups provide a symphony of nutrients, each playing their part in keeping our bodies robust and resilient. Fruits and vegetables, nature's multivitamins, are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are the body's building blocks, supporting everything from our immune system to our skin health. Lean proteins, on the other hand, are the body's repairmen. They assist in muscle growth and recovery, ensuring our bodies are always ready for whatever life throws at us. Whole grains are the body's energy providers. They slowly release energy throughout the day, keeping us alert and focused. And let's not forget, they're a fantastic source of fiber, promoting good digestive health. Conversely, processed foods and sugary drinks are akin to pouring sand in the engine. They're often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium, which can lead to numerous health complications when consumed excessively. They offer little nutritional value and can leave us feeling sluggish and unwell. So remember, a healthy diet isn't about restriction, but rather about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. A healthy diet is the best investment you can make for your body. Mental health is as important as physical health. Just as we exercise to keep our bodies fit, it's crucial to care for our minds as well. Indeed, mental well-being is the backbone of overall health, setting the tone for how we perceive and interact with the world around us. One might wonder, what steps can we take to nurture our mental health? Well, let's delve into that. A proven method is stress management. Stress, if left unchecked, can be a mental health wrecking ball. But fear not, tools like meditation offer a sanctuary of tranquility amidst the storm of stress. Regular practice of meditation can help you cultivate a sense of inner peace, boosting your emotional resilience. Another powerful tool is journaling. Pouring your thoughts onto paper can be liberating, providing a healthy release for pent-up emotions. It serves as a self-reflective exercise, helping you understand your feelings and reactions better. And let us not forget, seeking professional help is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to strength. Mental health professionals are equipped to guide us through emotional turbulence, providing us with strategies to cope. Whether it's a psychiatrist, a psychologist, a counselor, or a therapist, these professionals offer a helping hand when navigating through mental health issues. So, let's prioritize our mental well-being, for it is the key to a balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. Prevention is better than cure. This well-worn adage holds an irrefutable truth, particularly when it comes to our health. Regular health checkups are not merely routine appointments to tick off your calendar, but rather they are key to maintaining your overall wellness. Often, we underestimate the importance of these checkups, viewing them as necessary only when we feel unwell or experience discomfort. However, this approach overlooks a crucial aspect of healthcare: early detection. By identifying potential health issues before they escalate, we give ourselves the best chance at a more effective, less invasive treatment. Consider regular checkups as your body's comprehensive performance review. They are an opportunity to understand how your body is functioning, to monitor any changes, and to address any concerns you may have. From blood tests to screenings, these checkups can detect a range of conditions, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, or even cancer at their earliest stages. Remember, many serious health conditions don't always present noticeable symptoms in their initial stages. Therefore, proactive health monitoring can be a lifesaver, quite literally. Moreover, regular checkups provide an opportunity for you to build a relationship with your healthcare provider. This ongoing interaction fosters a better understanding of your health history, lifestyle, and risk factors, which all contribute to more personalized and effective healthcare. To put it simply, regular health checkups are an investment in your future. They are a commitment to a healthier, longer life. After all, your health is your wealth. Never take it for granted. Your health is in your hands. A phrase so simple, yet brimming with profound implications. We've journeyed through the essential landscapes of health and wellness together. We've explored the significance of physical activities, delved into the importance of balanced and nutritious meals, underscored mental health, and emphasized the value of regular checkups. These aren't just tips and tricks, but guideposts on a path to a transformed life. Physical activities, remember, are not just about the sweat and the burn, but the joy of movement and the exhilaration of pushing one's boundaries. Your meals, beyond being just fuel, are a celebration of nature's bounty, a symphony of nutrients that nourish not just your body, but your soul as well. In the labyrinth of life, mental health is your compass, keeping you grounded, centered, and resilient in the face of adversity. Regular checkups are the silent sentinels, the vigilant guardians of your health, ensuring that everything is in order and any potential issues are nipped in the bud. These are the pillars of a healthier, happier life. The power to transform your life lies within you. Take these lessons to heart and take the first steps on your journey to improved health and wellness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, a healthier you is a happier you.